Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Avalon garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the ignition is on. You'll be using the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console or rearview mirror. We'll cover clearing existing codes and then programming both standard and rolling code systems. Get ready to simplify your daily routine with this convenient feature. Before programming a new opener, it's crucial to clear any old codes. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them until the indicator light above the buttons begins to flash rapidly. This process typically takes about 20 seconds. Once the light flashes quickly, release the buttons, and your home link system is now ready for new programming. For a non-rolling code garage door opener, hold your original remote control about 1 to 3 inches from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button in your Avalon and the transmit button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Then, release both buttons. If you have a rolling code garage door opener, you'll first follow the non-rolling code steps. After that, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the ceiling of your garage. Press and release this button. Then, quickly return to your Avalon and within 30 seconds, firmly press and release the desired home link button 3 times. Your opener should now be programmed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.